Hello, everyone. I think we're in a place called Minbury. I'll leave a Google Maps link, of course. Some sort of pet-friendly cafe. So we brought our cat out here. It's called Prakai, and let's take a look. It's pretty busy. I mean, look at all these cars. It's Sunday, around 1 o'clock. Got a little pond here. Weird structure over there. On cage again. Okay, so we gotta wait. There's a goldfish pond here. Or a really small koi, I'm not sure, they're really small. I guess those are koi fish. Indoor. Air conditioned. So it's a nice garden here. There's a waterfall over there. Take a tour later. Pretty big dining halls, but you can eat outside, of course. Oh, this is outside. Never mind. I guess we're gonna try to eat in the garden. Alright, pretty cool. It's a fruit tree or something. I think there's a passion fruit tree. Oh, that's not real. Those are fake, I think. So this is one of those like Bible-esque super thick menus, but it's in English also. Some sort of cheese, chicken ham, some salad. Yeah, unfortunately it's a glossy menu, so it might be hard for you to read the text, but no, the prices aren't actually that bad either. Maybe that's why people come here. A lot of roti. A lot of roti. So yeah, you can drink cocktails and beers also. Looks like a lot of imported craft beers. Thai craft beer. Okay, so a lot to choose from. Yeah, bunch of cafes around here. So if this place is too crowded, I'm guessing all these places are restaurants. This looks like 4 different businesses, 5 maybe. Maybe these are private rooms. Oh, I see an additional parking lot. Okay. Kind of like the Playboy Mansion, but really not at all. But it seems like a good place to bring your kids. They got a lot of things they can play with. Just make sure you watch them and they don't fall in this pond, because this pond doesn't look very clean at all. A lot of algae. Alright, that's it. So, whether you want to eat inside, outside, or in a tent, they got you covered. See what food shows up. Alright, we got a Thai tea here. Yeah, tastes good, like any Thai tea does. But here, if you want a watermelon smoothie, they give you all this stuff in bags, by the way, for sanitary purposes. I only wish they had a trash barrel next to the tables. Alright, that's a well blended smoothie, very smooth. So that's great. They must have added a little bit of sugar maybe. It's just gonna take a while to drink though, being ice. And the food hasn't shown up, but I ordered a sticky rice and it's actually blue. So Yamun Sen showed up, and look at this. We got all sorts of fresh vegetables here on the side. Chilies, peanuts, pork, some mushroom, onions. Well, it's very good. It has a smoky flavor to it. The peanuts and the chilies. It's not very wet. It tastes very fresh. It's very good. So obviously you can eat it with these vegetables too. So the Yamun says fantastic. Come and try it. This fresh fried garlic is really nice too. So here we have a whole sea bass with a whole bunch of stuff on there. There's cashew nuts, chili peppers, pineapple, onion, peanuts, lime, what else? Lemongrass, and mint leaves. So let's try this out. It's obviously fried, but they cut up the pieces for you. It's good, but that piece has a bunch of bones in it. Be careful about the bones. Oh boy, the flavor is awesome. It tastes very fresh. You can actually eat this without the fish. It's just a good salad. Wow. Do some lettuce wraps as well. Yeah, this fish is really good. Food here is fantastic. And now we have a cheese roti. Maybe we should order that later. Look at this cheese melting in here. Oh, this is not going to be healthy. It's all melted. I wonder if that's butter. I have a suspicion that liquid is all butter. Or cheese fat. Wow, there's a lot of cheese in there. Look at that melting. Yeah. Sweet. I can't tell if the sweetness is just sugar or honey though. But there's a lot of cheese in there. You can just see that thickness. So that's really good too, but that one isn't crispy. It's soggy, you know, covered with all that butter and stuff. Well, this is Pakapau Mu Glob, which means deep fried pork and basil with stir fry. It looks quite small, but I mean, those are real chunks of fried meat. Let's just try this straight. Oh yeah, very crispy. If it's not spicy enough for you, there's some fish sauce here with some chili. The rice is very soft. Yeah, it's good. But it's pretty much good anywhere. But that pork is really crispy, so give them credit there. I think I like the fish the most though. It tastes so fresh. Well, we got like 7 dishes, well 7 things, 950 baht. So that was a lot of food for less than $27. In particular, that fit sea bass was big. I couldn't finish it all. So this place is definitely worth checking out. Come check it out.